What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Omega Greed YouTube channel, where we do a whole bunch of fun things with cars and we learn how to work on all the cars together. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jeffrey. Hey, what's up? We do videos on my 2017 Ford Focus RS, the Hyundai Veloster, and the Miata, which is the track builder on the channel. So if you're new to my channel, check it out. But we're jumping right into today's video. So I know I'm like actually a couple days behind on like the vlogs and the videos. So you guys don't know yet, but my car right now is running the stratified tune. So after just doing a little more research on the forums, some people did say like after the first revision of the tune, or your base tune, you're not going to hear as many cracks and pops. When they give you the revised tune, that's when some of the cracks and pops will come back. Because of, yeah, I just did the tune and the video I just filmed, which I didn't edit yet. You guys will see that video before you see this one. I was saying like, oh, it doesn't seem like there's that much difference in the actual exhaust note. I'm not getting any cracks and pops or anything like that when you're like downshifting or anything like that. I'm not hearing anything really different. So I emailed them back. That was Friday. Today is Monday, and actually they did just respond back to me. They told me like, okay, cool, they're gonna look at the data logs and make a revision for me. So that's cool, but I still think I need a little bit more sound out of the car. I'm actually gonna call the shop right now that I did the mid muffler delete with my Challenger. I want to do a catback exhaust, but I don't know if I really want to do that. I mean, that would be the better option, but I'm not really sure. I don't want to do a catless downpipe because I do know, well, in our state we have, you know, we have emissions, so we can't do like a completely catless downpipe. But we will see. So I'm gonna call the shop real quick. I'm actually on my lunch. If they can get me in today, that'd be great. If not, we will do it like soon. But yeah, let me give them a call. It's a new day. What's this dog doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. So guys, this is technically a couple days later actually. So, as you guys saw in the last clip, I did take the Focus to the muffler shop. I was looking to see if I can get anything done to the stock exhaust, which actually someone else just left a comment on that, but it was already like I already went to the shop. I just saw your comment, and I did see this too in the forums, which I technically I could have just like looked underneath the car. So the stock exhaust does not have a resonator on it. The STs do, the RS does not. It's pretty much a straight exhaust going back. The other thing is though, which I did see on the forums as well, one part of the exhaust that gets a little bit more narrow is to fit underneath the like drivetrain, so it like bends down and then opens back up. There's one part on the stock exhaust that does do that. So a aftermarket full exhaust, it's pretty much going to be the same dimension all the way through to the rear. So that's kind of what I think I'm going to do. Which no, that is what I am going to do. I actually ordered a full catback exhaust. Actually, I just ordered the full exhaust itself. When I was at the shop, they could have, if I wanted to, have them taken out the rear muffler, just did like a straight pipe from the back. But I didn't want to cut up my stock exhaust, only because if I ever want to take it back to stock, I would like to have that option. I don't want to completely destroy the stock exhaust. So I did order a complete exhaust for the car. I'm actually really excited. I've never actually done this for any of my cars, so yeah. But hang on a second, I want to show you guys something real quick. feels like it's been forever since I've said anything about the Miata. I almost forgot all about it. So, with the Miata, real quickly, the inspection is actually up. It needs to get inspected, but in order for it to get inspected, there's like a small hairline crack that's inside of the windshield. The windshield is being replaced Friday. Today is Wednesday. So Friday, while I'm at work, it's going to be getting replaced. They're coming here to do it. The wife's going to be here, so we're just going to pull the car slightly out. They'll replace that. And then I'll go get it inspected. Now, the other thing is, though, the front lip that was on here, the one day when I was driving to work, it literally, I don't know what happened. I was on the highway, it snagged something, and the whole thing just went straight off. So, granted, it was a little bit my fault because of one part was hanging slightly. Like, it was bolted on correctly, but then, like, it started to sag over time. I kind of did it kind of poorly, to be honest with you guys. But I had some zip ties to kind of like holding it up. It got caught. It just caught the thing and dragged the whole thing off. So I ordered another one that should be coming soon. It really sucks with COVID. It kind of derailed all my plans for the Miata because I got the thing to do autocross and to do track days. But since of everything that's going on, I literally all the track events and all the autocross events, they were basically saying like you've had to have had other track days underneath your belt in order for you to participate. So it kind of left me kind of in the dust, like I couldn't really do much because I didn't do anything yet. So that kind of sucks for me. But the good news is I'm going to try to think of the positives. The positives are, so this will give me more time to really dial the car in, take my time a little bit. And I'm going to do, still doing the roll cage. The roll cage I'm going to do, coilovers I'm going to do. The tires are fine for right now. I don't want to even do anything with power-wise. I think the car, for what it is, I want to keep the stock power because I really like the way the car handles. I really like the way the car feels stock. So I'm going to keep it powertrain-wise stock, at least for right now. If down the line something changes, I will probably do that. I don't know if I really want to turbo it. Everyone does that. Doing a supercharging kit. That would be kind of cool, but I don't really think the car needs it, honestly. I think the car is fine the way it is. So we're going to see what's going on with that. But yeah, so things that will be coming in the future, roll cage, which I could have got the roll cage, but I elected to get the exhaust for the RS because, yeah, I really want to go hardcore with the RS. But the Miata is still going on, but it's just going to be slow and a slower process. And building a real race car takes a lot of money, and I don't have a lot of money, so yeah, it's gonna be a slow process. But yeah, I'm gonna get so it's gonna get inspected. I think I might change out the brakes. I feel like the brakes are probably getting close. I bought it, they weren't terrible, but I think the brakes are probably just about due. So we'll see. But yeah, so that's that. But I want to tell you guys the exhaust that I have. The exhaust I got, which I know I did a lot of reviews on this. Some people, they were like, it's really loud. Some people were like, oh, it's great. I got the AWE track exhaust. Didn't get the touring, got the track exhaust. My reasoning is, hey, if you're gonna do it right. Get the louder one. I'd rather get one that's louder, and if I really want to make it quieter, I can get a resonator and put that in. Or do something else to make it a little more quieter versus getting something that's not loud enough. So that's kind of what I chose to do. I'm really excited for it. It should be here in a week, and I'm gonna literally, the day I get it, go right to the shop and have them do it. I was thinking about doing it myself, but honestly, I'd rather have a shop do it. The shop that I've been going to, they're pretty good, so I'll have them just take care of it real quick for me. So yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on with the Focus RS. And let you guys know real quickly with the data logging, I had to do a couple more data logs. Besides the ones I did do. I'm still waiting to get my revised tune to see what the cracks and pops tune. So I'm gonna see what's going on with that. Hopefully that comes in within the next day or so. I gave them back my last data logs last night, so probably not today, maybe tomorrow. So we'll see. I'm really hoping that when I do this with the upgraded exhaust, it's gonna sound incredible. So really, I'm just really pumped up for that. But I'm honestly though getting in the garage, because since the Miata's been in the garage, I haven't like seen it and I forgot. Sorry, my camera just died, so I'm doing this on my phone. But really quickly, since I forgot all about the Miata, it really kind of kept me like out of mind and like, yeah, out of sight, out of mind. Now that I'm seeing it again, I really want to start doing more stuff to this Miata. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. I don't want to go to like ricey. I want everything that's done to the Miata to be much more for a purpose. But yeah, but it kind of sucks because of I'm not tracking the car right now, so I don't really know what I need to even do. I do know I do want to do some coilovers. I was thinking maybe do some cheap ones. If I could find some used ones, I would love to do it. I've been looking, I haven't seen any. So we'll see what's up. But guys, I'm going to end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as YouTube channel. Go to the toy channel if you want. Greed Toys. There's a link down below. And go to the website, geeksforcars.com. And like that, guys, we're out of here. And we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.